IconBridge gets its very first real-world test. Voting for round 13 of the CPS commences. IconLoop revamps its website, and learn the ropes with DeFi platform OMM, the next in our very own video introduction series to DeFi on Icon. Welcome back to the Iconist, the most established news platform for the Icon Republic. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. It really does help. And if you like the content, why not share it with your friends? Hi, I'm Nathan, founder of G3 Partners, a Seoul-based blockchain marketing agency and publisher of the Iconist. So let's dive into the big stories from Icon in the last week. We're finally getting the chance to see IconBridge in action. By the time you're watching this, collaborative DeFi game Wonder Game may have already finished its pre-sale, scheduled for 8 AM EST on June 2nd. While the pre-sale is a big deal in and of itself, for many Icon watchers, the real draw is watching IconBridge in action. During the Wonder Game pre-sale, users can use IconBridge to mint on Harmony using ICX. Described as BTP Lite, IconBridge does everything the interoperability solution BTP does, albeit in a centralized way. And to be clear, while the Wonder Game presale represents IconBridge's first use case, it does not represent the full launch of IconBridge. For that, we have to wait for the unveiling of the Nexus frontend, as well as additional testing that may be required. Voting has commenced for round 13 of the Contribution Proposal System, or CPS. This time around, node validators will be voting to approve and fund 5 projects. Those projects are Tracker Infrastructure and Development, Drogon, a hard hat-like tool for Icon, the Icon TV YouTube campaign, Ledger Live desktop integration, and Fling, a DEX aggregator and trading tool. A note about the last one, Mousebelt's project to build a DEX aggregator and trading tool for Icon has gotten the votes the last 2 times around. However, they haven't got the funding. Maybe third time's a charm? We'll just have to wait and see. There's about a week left in voting, and we'll update the successful projects once they are revealed. IconLoop, Icon's chief technology partner, has redone their website. The spiffy new site focuses on Web3 platform construction and Web3-based service development. As we've reported before, IconLoop has been moving into Web3 and virtual assets direction. This comes as a new, relatively crypto-friendly president officially takes office in Korea, IconLoop's homeland. IconLoop says it is creating the new age of Web3 by wedding its core blockchain platform technologies, like mainnets, with its experience in operating application technologies and related services, such as wallets, DeFi, DID, and NFTs. To do this, IconLoop will release packages that make it easy to build mainnets and modularize its proven blockchain technology and operational experience, providing optimal customization for businesses. Lastly, the Iconist has released a tutorial video and introductory article about OMM, an open money market for the Icon DeFi ecosystem. The term money market refers to the trading of very short-term debt investments, especially financial instruments with high liquidity. In the case of OMM, it's a money market in which you can take out collateralized loans, and with the collateral you supply being added to a lending pool. It's open in the sense that it is a decentralized peer-to-peer protocol owned and operated by OMM token holders instead of a centralized bank. OMM generates yield for you in a few different ways. When you supply ICX to a money market, i.e. collateral, that ICX is automatically staked, earning you further ICX rewards. When you borrow funds from a money market, you are rewarded with OMM tokens. If you've supplied OMM tokens to a liquidity pool unbalanced, you can stake your LP tokens on OMM to be rewarded by the platform with more OMM tokens. And you can stake OMM tokens on the site, which generates further OMM rewards. Anyway, watch the video and read the introductory article to get a fuller understanding of one of Icon's premier DeFi platforms. And as always, everything is linked in the description below. And if you'd like to read about any of the articles or news mentioned in this segment, we have included all of those links in the description below as well. You can also follow us on Twitter at the Iconist News, or visit our online publication, theicon.ist. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, stay hyper-connected.